The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Dennis, Roland, fellas, good morning. Very good morning to you guys. Audio is fine. Fellas, I could use a little help here. Audio is good, which is great. I have purchased a new headset. Good morning, guys. Uh, so I'm going to need a little help with the volume. Am I too loud, too soft, just right? Somebody give me some feedback here. Sounds perfect. Perfect. Okay, good, good. All right, guys, I think the issue that I may have been having with GoToWebinar was not, in fact, GoToWebinar. Thank you, Lori. I think it may have been my headset, which may have been obviously, going. So I went and purchased a new headset yesterday. Hopefully this resolves the issue that whenever I go on mute and unmute, we still have voice. In any event, guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd. And we are in the midst of a fairly steep sell. Morning, Barry. Jacques, good morning. Neither of the bots have taken any trades. I turned them on at the normal time, and we were already into sells. Consequently, we don't have any trades yet. I will be running the benefit of purchasing more, so I do have some that renew this week, but nothing new. Or there was no point in me buying any additional, even at 90% off. In any event, guys, good morning. We'll see what we can come up with today. Yesterday was a very good trade. Seems that volatility is back, volume is high. I'll do what I do every day, which is read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. We do have Jolt's job openings, I believe, at 10 o'clock. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. It's got to get 97, guys. We came to 97. Back to 97. Come on, quarter.
Target filled. Target filled.
Both targets hit and filled. Booyah! Come on, big guy, suck it up. Gonna have to get above 64.75.
Target filled.
Target
Well,
filled.
we are emphasizing we're not in a hurry to hike again, but also not in a hurry to cut and send a premature signal of policy easing. Saying the Fed should be on hold for a long time. Fed's Bostic.
Fed's Bostic is speaking.
Order filled.
Bostic is speaking. I closed out the trade. We're not in a hurry to raise, but we should be on hold for a long time. Yeah, 10 account. I mean, listen, 10 accounts, if you do it right, you can grab 40 grand a month. Nothing wrong with that. It's $500,000 a year. I don't know that I can successfully trade 20. I don't know. You're welcome, Dennis. Dennis is up 1135 with what he learned on Saturday. How'd you do yesterday, Dennis? 1,085 yesterday. Safe to say it was worth 395 bucks. Hell yeah. Appreciate that.
Bostic saying policy gets more restrictive as inflation comes down.
Bostic saying, oh, you guys can hear it. I don't need to repeat it. I like that. I don't need to repeat anything. It's awesome. I consider it like a toad. Got to get above 91. Yes, it is, Chad. Yeah. What you learned. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sounds mumbled. Repeat the important stuff. Okay. I don't know that it can. Come on, push a little more, you dog. I will close this ahead of the open, guys.
Order
All
filled.
right, got a couple off. Come on, push a little more.
Order canceled.
All right. I don't even know where those wins came from. I left the bot on. Apparently, it's up 1,115 bucks. Okay. I forgot I had it on. All right, guys. Let me get my E-Trade account up. Let me get my Thinkorswim account up.
No update. Washington House Speaker McCarthy plan to hold a vote on the motion to vacate later today.
All right, guys. We go in a second here, fellas. 10 seconds. We're off.
Target filled.
Fair amount of buyers on the open. Look at this push.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Whoop, hang on, guys. Damn it.
Order submitted.
Oh. 600 buyers, almost 700 in the first 3-minute bar. Losing a few, but if this rolls over, I'll obviously take the short. Remember this chart? That's what we got to get through. 5, call it. Maybe 6.
Order submitted. Target filled. Order filled.
Come on. Looking for buyers. 900 buyers in here. Hang on, guys. We go. This is it. We're going long, guys. We crack this, we're going longs. Sorry, fellas. I'm running the bot on the computer behind me. We're going up, fellas. We're trying to break through this 15-minute here. I like it longs, guys. We're still struggling at this break, but I think we're going longs. All right, guys. Three Apex accounts on the computer behind me. All 3 accounts done. 335, 385, and 275. All on the bot. I like longs to 29. One more candle here and it goes. One more 30 range here and it goes. 10-minute is long. Hourly is pushing up probably to that 39.40. It's got to get above 15. It goes 21. There it is. 15 goes 21. Above 21, it goes 24. Above 24, we get 35, then 39. It's going to go, guys. They're buying them. We're down to 2,300. They bought 1,700 contracts since the open. They're excoriating the shorts right now.
In Fenbrave, September car sales in Brazil, 197,673 units. Brazil vehicle sales data.
If it rolls, I'll be short. Going to need a full candle. This has got to close. We could come back to 73. Come on, close. Roll. Damn it. All right.
Order
I
filled.
tried the short. I'm probably early on this. Come on, back down through that pivot.
10 minutes or so into a trading session, the Dow down 137 points, the S&P
Come on.
4277 down 20 handles.
Come on. All right.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
No idea what. I was a little early on that. I still think we're going to get 39. Above 35 to 39, we start working to 73. Small sellers here, guys. Like the longs, but the stop has to be 02. Let me look at the 2-minute. Yeah, we could pull back to 91 if this flips. Come on, close. Give me a full candle. Come on. That closes, I'll be short again.
Order stop filled.
There's the short.
Order filled. Order filled.
Held the 2-minute. Hasn't broken down yet. I think we come back to 73, but we haven't flipped yet. We're back up to 2,900 on the sellers. Let me take a look at this, guys. Hang on. Yeah, we're stuck in here. Still holding the 2-minute cloud support going up.
Order submitted.
If it gets through 25, it rips. It goes to 35.
Minutes to the top there with the August JOLTS job opening data expected at
Order filled.
8.82 million. Prior was 8.83.
Order filled.
Can't get through 25 yet. Down to 2,200 sellers again. I'm looking for the short. Still's gonna, boy, it's gonna have to break below 94 to do anything. But I think buying is small, selling is small. I'm gonna short this, guys. If this candle drops below 03, no, nothing.
Order filled.
We're chopping. Two-minute needs to break down below 90, right about where we stopped at 92. Below 90, it gets hit. It's still hanging in there, guys, with buyers back in.
Order canceled.
It's chop. Chop to the long side. There's your long. $300 buyers here.
Order submitted.
I've got buyers. $370 buyers here. Come on, push up. Right here.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Another winner.
U.S. equities rebounding here from opening levels as we push closer toward this JOLTS jobs report here at the top of the hour.
There's my 39 coming, finally. Got to get above 35.
Positive correlation between the two continues here in the early going of the trading session.
There's 39
Down about 0.25%
to the tick.
on the day, up 0.6%.
Down to 1800 on the net sellers. 15-minute bar close above 39 is going to take us 52 and 68. I think we're going to grind up towards 73. It's just a slow grind to 73. Back and forth. We're down to 1600. Nice job, Ray.
Portland Netflix planning to raise prices for their service after the end of the actors' strike. NFL
Netflix going to raise prices after the actor strike?
considering launch new live sports tier Disney Plus overseas. The same report on the streaming services.
Down to 1300 on the net sellers. There's that next level up. Now we grind up to 73. Above 78, we get to 500 if you're long. Nice job, Dennis. Dennis has an $800 runner. You must have an open target on the scalping. Nice job, fellas. I've scalped this back down to, this was down 640. I've scalped it back to down 165. I'd be even if the first trade weren't 3 contracts. If this rolls back over, it's a short. Down to 1500, below 1500. Jolts in 6 minutes and change. Hourly's into resistance here. If it's going to fail, it's in this area. This is probably a decent short. If we get up through 69.70, we take out hourly candle from 2 candles back. 10 minutes telling me it wants 86. $81.50 next. No, 73 next, then 81.50. 73 is next target. Q's just went long on this candle. Gap fill 361.09. No. Gap fill 361.29 on the Q's. And then we see what happens.
5 minutes down to the August.
ES, failed breakdown.
1.82 million.
Broke below support, came back up through. It's a failed breakdown. Target on ES now 23. It's struggling at those hourly pivots. If it rolls, it's probably a good trade on a short. We got 73. Man, how's he do that? I don't know. Nice job, Ed. Nice job. Jolt's guys coming. If
Order submitted.
if this 15-minute bar closes above 72, we're going 86. If this rolls, I'm shorting it.
US 210 yield spread now below above negative 40 basis points. So the re-steepening of the curve has continued.
Need at least this candle to close.
Performance or selling, aggressive selling at the long end of the Treasury curve. Again, U.S. rates are off.
I'm going to short this, guys.
Order
5
filled.
basis points off the 10-year high.
I'm a shed early.
The 2-year still holding above 5%. Rates are now lower in the UK, France, and Germany on the day. So we've seen a modest reversal in rising Treasury yields, and it has resulted in equities coming up off the opening levels here in the U.S. and off the lows in Europe.
Man, that was a little bit early, guys. It was probably closer to 48. This could go either way. Come on, break down below 48 and it comes down. We could come all the way back to 18. Couple almost 300 sellers in here. It's holding that 51. That's what's got to break, obviously.
One minute to the August JOLTS job openings expected 8.82 million, down slightly from 8.83 million prior.
Come on. Come on. Break 48. Break 48. All right.
Order filled.
I closed it ahead of the news, guys. 48 breaks, it comes down. 30 seconds to news. We're coming down.
Get the August JOLTS in just a few seconds.
Coming down.
Order filled.
9.61 million, well above the 8.82 million expected for JOLTS.
Well above. It's a big miss. You guys probably heard that, though.
Equity markets turning lower on the hotter than expected JOLTS.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Coming down.
Order submitted. Target filled.
And the dollar yen now above 150 per dollar. Dollar yen going above 150 on this.
Bounced off the top of the 2-minute cloud.
Briefly testing above it to a high of 150.01. The long bond down a full point once again. The 10-year yield back up to 4.73%. Again, it had been 2 straight months of much lower than it's.
We're coming down, guys.
Broken here.
That Dom just is insane, but we're coming down.
Pressure on interest rates.
Back over 2,000 sellers.
Order submitted.
Waiting for the 2-minute bar to close. New 2-minute bar. We're at 900. I'm a couple handles behind. We're at 90. I'm lagging. Dom is correct. Chart is incorrect.
Order filled.
Well, let me deactivate that. This is
Target filled. Stop filled.
deactivate your bots, or at least I have to. We're at 75. I'm 30 handles behind.
Order filled.
Order filled on what? Nothing. 71. Not even freaking close, guys. This sucks crap. NASDAQ's back down into that hourly. If we catch the day low, it's going to blow out. We're moving down on the hourlies to that. We're at 71 currently. I'm 30 handles behind. I'll try reloading, see if that helps. My computer behind me, which is running 2 charts, is fine. Yeah, they're going to sell these to hell and back. We're at 78. I'm just waiting to catch up. My Dom is correct. Target is 45 if you're short. 45 target, guys, on the 10-minute. We're at 63 currently. Freaking ninja. 61, 62, 60. Target is 15 handles lower. It's the amount of charts in GoToWebinar because the computer behind me only has 2 charts on it, and it's fine. $55. Anybody short? 44, 45 is target. That's target 1. There's 48. $3,000 sellers. And 45 target hit. That's target 1. Target 1 is hit. Now it's a complete breakdown on the hourlies. I can't even run the bots. They're still not caught up. Let's see, 58. Nope. 61. 70, still not caught up. We're at 57, 56. You got to be nuts trying along. I know.
Order filled.
Flat.
Order filled.
If this breaks down probably about 80, you can short it again. There it is. Exactly where I thought.
Order target filled.
I shorted it.
Stop filled.
Late on it. It's nuts, guys. It's not along yet.
Order filled.
They're trying to push this up. If this can get above 99, above 98, 99, it's got room to go.
Order canceled.
Above 802, it's got a long way to go. It can go a long way up. This is 10-minute resistance right here. Right to the resistance. If it gets above that 802, it goes long way. I mean, you got to be a complete idiot to take longs, right? Complete idiot.
Order submitted.
I took 2 off.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here we go. Back up. I'm not afraid to take counter trend trades, guys. Done for the day. 1135 on one account, 2705 on another. Both evals. You're welcome, Dennis. This will settle down, guys. It's in a long right now, fellas. We could go back to 825. Let me look at the small time frame. Hasn't rolled. It's coming back down. Next candle closed. It's a short. This candle has to close. So far, no close. Right there.
Order filled.
I try to short again. Come on, break down. Oh, you scumbag. Break down. You're going to get me again? Put in that pivot I don't like. Come on, break that pivot. God dang it. Now we're just jerking around. There it is.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled.
Order filled.
I'm flat. We're still in shorts. Looks like it's trying to break down below 470, and if it does, it comes to 59.60. Small sellers now in here. Rhythmic has connection issues? Apex Rhythmic or your own? I have Rhythmic on, I'm grandfathered with Rhythmic data. I don't have any issue with Rhythmic data. Can't connect, so it's Apex. Yeah. New candle.
Order filled.
There's the long. Come on, push it, homie. Let's go. Get through that resistance. Come on, you rat bag.
Target filled.
Both targets hit. See if I can get to 15. Small sellers in here. Lost it. Still think it's going up. 300 sellers. Come on, give me that. If the 2-minute comes back through 91, I missed it. I would say if the 2-minute comes back through 91, I would have added. If it bounces through 91, I'd add into this. 91 I need. 91, and it may only get to 13. So I need here. It's trying. Come on. You can do it. Apparently it can't. We got another 600 sellers in here. Come on. Need to get up through 86 and then 91. Through 86, we're going to get 91, and I'm going to add it 91. There's 86. Come on, ratbag. Nope. It's trying. They're buying some back. I've only got one contract on, so I'm not flinching terribly here. Come on. Now I need 85. All right.
Order filled.
That's it. Still going to go long. I'm going to get this long. I'll be long above 07. See where that number is. Right now, it's long above 07. That was another burst to the downside, and it's bouncing. We're going up. 5,200 sellers. They're getting heavy on the sell side. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me. The trend is down, but we're 5,200, 5,300 deep now on the sell side. Buying them back. Hit him again, sellers. Go. Here comes the low of the day. Oh, Jeff, I don't buy into conspiracy theories.
Order filled.
I have a couple of members that are conspiracy theorists. I love them to death, but you know, the market's out to get them, and Citadel's assholes, and you can't trade against them, and zero DTE options. Yet I'm up $1,100. I pay no attention to that stuff. Think we're heading down to 32, fellas, ultimately. Five is an entry too. Small-ish sellers here, 50, 52, 40 now. They're buying some. I like this to push up from here. 88 would be a good scalp, I think.
Stop filled.
Out on the runner. I shut that bot off. This is too small a time frame on the original bot for this volatility.
Order filled.
I turned on the trend bot and it's just caught 2 contracts long. But you know where we got to get through. Well, the trend bot probably on the 3-minute would be much better. But this Unirenko, not just shorted. This Unirenko is too damn small on a day like today with this volatility.
Order filled.
Looks like another low of the day coming. Yeah. NASDAQ is holding 1 standard deviation. Now that deviation is at 55. You have a trade to 55 and probably a bounce there.
We're inside 45 minutes now. The European cash equity close. European bourses down.
Hourly's guys are coming to 732. 732.
Cash market now now break below that late September low, 42.3376
submitted.
in the S&P cash. The Dow down 365 points.
If this 56 breaks, it's going to get walloped.
Nasdaq
Order
Composite
We just broke 56. It's going to get walloped.
down 210 points.
Any retracement, we're now holding some pretty good daily support. There's a daily support in here, and we just bounced off it, but it's not much. It's just a bounce back up.
Order filled.
If it breaks down below that daily support, it gets mashed.
Order canceled.
This could bounce back to 73.
Order submitted.
This is what we're holding. That's got to break. Some of these lines have been on my chart for weeks. $50 may be where we try to find a decent little bounce.
Order submitted.
Still holding. Sellers are trying in here. They just can't get it down through this daily.
Order filled. Order canceled.
This is where I think we bounce. I'm going to try one contract long.
Order submitted. Order filled.
No. I'm long one. Come on, get back above 56. Let's go. I'll take the $100. Come on. Come on. There are no buyers. Next 10-minute bar is not for 8 minutes. So if it's going to bounce, it's got to do it now. Man, now we're coming 46. Hourlies are going to get to that 35. I'll be long as hell off that 35, guys. 735. Come on. You can't get back above this? Let's go, you dog. Come on. All that for a lousy $100 bill. I know. I'm catching a falling knife. We just based out. Tell me I missed that. 38. Not even close. I'm trying to buy 34. Maybe now. Missed by what? 3 handles? Come on. Come on. Don't do it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm long. Last trade of the day for me, guys. Looking for a small Benjamin here. Come on. We overran it pretty good. Come on, just a small 5-handle bounce to rack up the day. Stupid $100 bill here, fellas. That's it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need new shoes. I'm not flinching.
Target filled.
Got it. Done. Anybody have any questions, guys? It's 11:03. The original bot's going to finish down 1,600. In this volatility, that Unirenko is way too damn small. The trend bot, we're going to finish up in the room at 725. I am going to leave that on for long because I will take the long whenever we get it. We're now going to have to come back through what was daily resistance at 53. But above that, we can start working up. I'll give you some levels you guys can watch. This will get interesting above that 53, 61, and above 85. Assuming those, it can do that. But remember, when everybody gets heavy on one side of the trade, they're going to do a rug pull at some point. I don't know when that may be. For all I know, it's Friday. But they're going to trap Europe. There's going to be, I would think at some point today, there's going to be a rebound. So watch for it. Don't get caught short in the hole.